Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. It's Wednesday, December 31st, 2025. I will be trading PLTR, ticket PLTR on the 1-minute chart. One stock, one time frame, one trade, only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. All right, let's recap this because it's been a long time, probably like almost 5 hours in this trade. Maybe it's not a good idea to trade in the end of the year, but it is what it is. So the market opened here. This is the green line is the low of yesterday. So I was bullish, my bias was bullish. So touch here and reject with this engulfing bar here. So I got in here. My target was here, my stop was all the way down here. But it's just, I didn't wait for the pattern because of this, what happened in this area here, because of the reject and also put this engulfing bar here. But apparently I was wrong in the direction. So put this pattern here, broke it. I thought it was gonna fall through, but I didn't, almost. Just enough to go to this area here. So apparently I was wrong in the direction. So this was the trade. I took the setup according to my plan, accept the risk, and the market just didn't agree. So the loss doesn't mean the trade was wrong. It means the outcome wasn't in my control. What matters is that I follow my rules. I review this and reset and come back. I focus on execution, not revenge. And remember, always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. And thanks for watching.